practice for. So now we're going to do abs, abdominal video 1. This is a video for a basic level abdominal routine. We've got Jess here demonstrating. So we've talked about our setting in our first video, so if you look back on that to make sure you've got the right setting position. But just a quick run through, we need to make sure our neck is nice and long, chin is tucked under, shoulders are away from the chest, drawing them down the back. We find our neutral in that mid-back by pelvic tilting. So we tip the back up towards the ceiling, flatten it down, find that midpoint. Drop those ribs down so they're not flaring out, and gently contract, draw in those abdominals. Make sure those knees are nicely aligned, the feet are level with the hips. We hold this position there. We're going to draw in our stomach muscles, so we're doing a 50% contraction. Hold that position there, and we're going to do a leg slide. So we're going to slide our leg forwards, keeping the pressure through the floor, but getting a bit of weight through the leg, and bring it back up. And we're going to repeat on the other leg. So we're going to do alternate here. Slide. This is easier to do if you've got socks on, so you get some of the tension and you get a slide through the mat. Always the key to all the stuff that we do is we maintain our neutral spine here. So if you want to check that you're in the right position, just place your hand under your back just to make sure that you've got a slight gap there, but make sure it's not moving. And that's the other thing, is to keep the back neutral as we're moving. We're going to do a set of 6, so 3 on each leg. And once we've done, we're going to come up into our leg scissors. So from here, we're going to take one leg up, draw in the stomach, lift it up into our scissor and release it down. Now with the breathing, I want you to just focus on making sure that you breathe in and out through each movement. So as you lift the leg up, you can breathe in, and as you bring the leg down, breathe out. Keeping control, switching on those stomach muscles. So everything should be switched on and engaged, and you're really focusing in on one part of your body. So if it's the abs we're looking to work, which we are, I want you to focus on gently contracting in those muscles. And we're going to do 3 on each. So last one here, drawing in, lift and lower, nicely controlled, and lift. At any point in any exercise, if you feel any pain during, after, or the next morning, it's not the right exercise for you, so please don't repeat them. Hold that position there, bring the leg down, and we're just going to go into our hip twist here. So from here, we're going to go to one leg fall out. So the position here is working on rotational stability here. So we're going to let the right leg slowly fall out to the side, controlling the movement and just making sure that the opposite hip isn't lifting. So place your hand on the opposite side of the pelvis. So if Jess puts her hand just on the opposite side of where she's moving, she wants to make sure that that pelvis doesn't lift up. So if you can just demonstrate a pelvis lift with that right leg fall out. So as that, can you see how the pelvis lifts up? We want to pull that pelvis down so it doesn't do that. We're going to repeat 3 of those.